What if taking care of your health was not only easy, but also simple? Welcome to Health Code. I'm here to accompany you on your journey to a healthier and more balanced life. Whether you're looking to improve your diet, boost your energy levels, or manage health conditions like diabetes or hypertension, this channel is dedicated to providing you with the tools and knowledge to achieve your wellness goals. We all know that life can get hectic, but that's no excuse to neglect our health. That's why we're here to help you make small, sustainable changes that make a big difference. No fad diets, no extreme workouts, just practical tips and advice based on the latest scientific evidence. From delicious, nutritious recipes to simple mindfulness practices, we've got you covered. Want to learn how to prepare a healthy meal that's both tasty and good for you? We've got you covered. Feeling a bit stressed and need some relaxation techniques? We've got you covered. Want to understand your health conditions better and learn how to manage them effectively? You guessed it, we've got you covered. At Health Code, we believe that knowledge is power. That's why we're committed to making complex health topics easy to understand. No medical jargon, no confusing studies, just clear, concise information that you can actually use. So what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button now and join our growing community of health-conscious individuals. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we release new videos every week. We've got new content coming your way every single week, so there's always something fresh and new for you to explore. From improving your immune system to managing chronic conditions, we've got a wealth of information that can help you live your healthiest life yet. So why wait? Start your journey towards better health and well-being today. Subscribe to our channel now, and let's embark on this journey together. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy.